Okay guys, hello, how are you? This is lesson 6, equal and equivalent sets. Equal set. Equal set is a kind of set with the same number. Set A, for example, set A is equal to curly bracket 5, 6, 7, curly bracket closed. Set B is equal to curly bracket opened 5, 6, 7, curly bracket closed. So as you see, there is 5 over here. We are going to contract it by a simple line. 6, 7. So it is a equal set. So what is a equivalent set? I think this is the most easiest part of sets. So equivalent set is a kind of set which is with the same number of elements. If you know more about elements and if you are very clear on elements and very perfect on sets, number of elements of sets, you can do this by easy way. Just see the elements, not the numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These have 3. Number of A is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. Number of B is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. So both of them has 3, 3. So it is gonna be an equivalent set. So this lesson is gonna be short and simple, cause we are gonna learn about equivalent and equal sets. I'm gonna just erase the blackboard and have you other 2 points about union and intersection. So we are gonna have 2 points about union and intersection, and on lesson 7 we are gonna revise both of them, and we are gonna have a practicing examples. On lesson 7 we are gonna finish about sets, and we are gonna just start a new lesson about other kind of maths units. So as you see, I already finished the erasing, and this is about unions and intersection. So union and intersection, we are going to talk about and we are going to list the examples. We are not going to write a definition. This is for union and intersection. So as you see, this is the symbol for union. A U and bigger, not literally U, it is bigger U, and N bigger. So this is the symbol for union, and this is for symbol for intersection. We are going to start from union. On union we are going to just add a figure, circle, and both intersection like just little bit like this. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A, B. Okay, this is gonna be for both of intersection and union example. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sorry. 4 is 2 and 3. A, 2, 3. The intersection part is 4 and 5, cause both of them have a intersection 4 and 5. Only 6 and 7 is just on B. 2 and 3 are on A. So we are gonna list union is equal to curly bracket opened 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are gonna close our curly bracket. And union, we should be patient writing all the objects or elements on the figure without repeating them. I repeated without repeating them. 2 is once written in union or sets. On the set there is a rule. We should just take the rule, not repeating anything you do on this union. we are gonna go to the intersection on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The intersection is equal to 4, 5. These are gonna be our intersection because the union are all the elements without repeating. The intersection are both the sets that have commonly. So this is how it looks like. You can practice it at home by other examples. For example, you can change the number 6 up to 11 and you can just change it to 11. Yeah, like this. Just change the numbers and just put the figure like this. So you can just make this easy for you. So we are going to add one more example because we have a time. It is over 3 minutes. So, as we see, by this part it is partially erased correctly. So, we are going to just write a simple figure like this. So, what does this mean? It is 3 circus figures. So, we are going to add A, B, C, and we are going to add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is how it looks like. So the only intersection point is this one, 7. 7 is the only thing that intersects A, B, C, and 3 of them. 6 and 7 are the intersector for A and B. We are going to just take this out, and 9 and 7 are the only one intersect B. 4, 5, 7 and 10 are the only one intersect A and C. So I think it is clear for you. So we are going to just list the union. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the union for both of them. What about the intersection? The intersection, as I told you, it is going to be only one. It is 7. So to do it clear, I think some of you doesn't understand about this. So we are going to erase this part. And we are going to list all of the sets partially. Completely, but all of the sets. So, set A, 4, 5, 6. The circle is just up to here. So 6, 7, and 10. So on B, 8, 6, 7, 9. So this is the other method to add the intersection. 10, 7, 9, 10, 9 and 11. What of the intersection? Both 3 of them have 7. What about 9? Both of them, but this one doesn't have. So we are going to finish by this. This is it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.